Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset the Windows custom color back to its default colors on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go here on Start and right click on it and click on Run. From here, just type regedit, which is regedit, and click on OK. Just give it permission, click on Yes, and after that, you'll find this window. From here, make sure you're in this address, which is computer/hkey local machine/software/Microsoft/Windows/DWM, and make sure you're in here. In here you'll find a string file called accent color or accent color filter. If you find both of them, just delete both of them, and if you find one of them, just delete that one. And after that, just close all this and go ahead and restart your system, and your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to reset Windows accent color back to its default color on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.